Gate array cells are physical-only cells used for ECO. A base gate array cell that acts like a filler cell is replaced with a logical gate array cell during ECO. Multiple sizes of gate array filler cells are added during place and route before tape-out in various locations. These filler cells can later be replaced when needed during ECO. Both the gate array filler cells and the corresponding gate array logical cells are the same size and symmetry, which make it easier to swap. Depending on the size of the filler, and the ECO requirements, multiple logical gate array cells can fit into the same area. In this example, all 4 logical cells shown below can be inserted into the one large filler site. For a post-mask ECO, gate array filler cells are initially deleted and as needed by ECO, replaced by the gate array logical cells. New gate array filler cells are inserted back in afterwards, to match original base layers.